The good folks at Microjig invited me here today to talk to you about the gripper system. One of the most innovative safety products to come to the woodworking shop in many years.
That is the Microjig MJ splitter system.
Gripper system.
And that's the gripper system by Microjig.
What we have here is the brand new micro-dial tapering jig.
We're here with one brilliant man of Microjig.
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 My friends at Microjig have sent me their new grip block.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Bruce Wang, and my father is the founder of Microjig and creator of the gripper.
Bruce over at Microjig sent me a pair of these grippers, they're called.
One of my all-time favorite safety items, Microjig's gripper.
Ever see a woodworker do this? What they're doing is showing you they still got 10 fingers.
You need a gripper.
This is a tool for you. Thank you very much. Keep the brilliant designs coming.
Woodworking Premier Mortals is sponsored by
Microjig.
Microjig is proud to present the zero-play guide bar system.
Finally, I came across a system that I just fell in love with. It's called the Microjig Zero Play Guide Bar System.
Nice. That would be pretty hard to do in any other fashion.
Courtesy of Microjig's zero-play guide bar system.
I built this machine to simulate the ideal conditions for kickback to occur.
Use these match fit Microjig clamps. Works pretty awesome. Let's get into it.
Look at this. This is by far the best packaging I have ever gotten. To all you guys over at Microjig, thank you. This is amazing.
Holy crap. Well, thank you, Microjig.
Microjig. Their focus is the safety of crafty people.
Microjig designs innovative tools to keep people safe. Here to tell us why the gripper stands out from the rest is wood sorcerer Morgan.
Match fit dovetail clamps.
The match fit workhorse.
Microjig dovetail clamps.
They're made by Microjig.
And Microjig match fit system.
And I'm lucky enough that, I get a lot of support from the woodworker who support this product.